this is my umbrella. It's a lucky umbrella, you know why? I mean, no, it's not green, it doesn't have 4 leaves, but it's a special umbrella. So, come here. See my face? You see that down there? Yes, it's beautiful. That, my umbrella. Down here. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? If we go over here to the Lucky Bridge, we're going to go over to the bridge. This is where you can take a picture like this. And I'm going to sing something cool. Ready? If I was a boyfriend.
Please don't sing that song, honey.
Why?
Because that's a mood killer.
No, it's not.
Oh. It is absolutely beautiful here.
Look at me, look at me.
Oh my God, I love nature. Never can get tired of it. Isn't it beautiful? Magnificent.
Like this. See? Chick, chick.
Only have one life to live, and I'm gonna live it. Peace. Love you.
Wait. Peace. Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye-bye.